Hey, Nick here from Playbook. Hope all's well. Welcome to day 35 of the Starting a Software Company in 100 Days project, where we're building out Playbook, which is a tool for managing SOPs, standard checklists, repeatable processes, workflows. So I wanted to give you a quick update on where things are at as of today. And so I'm going to play a video here just to show some of what we've been working on the last week, and that is primarily building out the process creation tool in Playbook. And so if you saw there, it's kind of hard to see, but a, a workflow in Playbook is comprised of decisions and tasks. And so you know, most of the tasks will be linear, linear and chronological. You complete these tasks, but then there's certain decisions where you can go down a different path. And for instance, uh, what an example of this would be in our business Harvest Profit, where we sell farm management software, we would have a customer onboarding process where we reach out to them, make an introduction, we say hello, we try to schedule a call, we send them an onboarding package, and then we might hit a decision point where is this customer successfully onboarded? If so, we're done. If not, we continue along another set of tasks or potentially initiate another process. And so that's really the one of the the reasons why we built Playbook is to handle this conditional logic smooth and to build it with a nice user interface. And so that is what we have added. And what you see here is the workflow, the process creation screen in Playbook. And so we're on day 35, obviously, and we started development on this around day 10. And so just to give you an update on where things stand from a budget standpoint, here's where we're at so far. $6,792 of development expense. That's over 3 weeks of build. And so as you can see, the rate here is $60 an hour. Very detailed notes being tracked using FreshBooks. And so all in all, happy with where we're at. We really we need to start building out the dashboard concept in Playbook, which shows all of the processes that a user is assigned to, the current status of them, where they can filter through and look at the different processes, and then they can dive into the processes and complete the tasks, make notes to them, fill out the forms, check them off. And so that's what we're going to focus on here next week. Is we've got a really almost fully complete version of how to build out a process with the different form components, so you can add drop downs and multiple choice checklists. You can have flexible, almost like spreadsheets, where you have multiple rows and multiple column checklists. So some pretty flexible form components. And now we need to start building out some of the other pieces. So the dashboard, the user interface there, the team page, the invite mechanism for adding new team members, and then also start going down the path of a marketing site and the initial infrastructure to support that. So with that, I just wanted to share this updated development tally. I would expect this to quadruple over time. So roughly, right around $30,000 of development to build out the Playbook MVP. But if you go back to day 34, we did a little over a 3-day course launch, which generated $42,000 in gross profit, kind of net profit, but gross profit. So we have most of the Playbook project accounted for with that course launch. So pretty excited about that and thankful that we're in a position to be able to do that. So with that, I just wanted to share current status. where we're at with our development budget. Out of $30,000, we've allocated about 22% of that. And yeah, happy with where we're at. Excited to push forward here. Definitely probably going to come across a few stumbling blocks and start to next week. I think we're going to really define the scope of the next 50 days of development, so we can get this thing in a finished state by day 100. So thank you for following along the journey. I'm glad you're here. Would like for you to subscribe, accept notifications so you continue to follow along and really learn from what we're doing if you are undertaking a project yourself. So have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.